Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, your #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day to help you lose weight permanently. Today, we're gonna be doing a beginner core workout, 12 minutes to tone up and burn off some belly fat. Transformers, let's go. All right guys, our first exercise, we're gonna be doing some elbow to knee crunches right here. Ready? We got 40 seconds and let's start it up. For these elbow to knee crunches, make sure you're getting the elbows touching the knees, engaging the core. When you're crunching up, try to lift both those shoulders off the floor the whole time. And as you lift, you're gonna breathe out. Nice work guys, you got 20 seconds. As soon as you come down, come straight back up. Let's do a few more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's time. That's what guys. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some knee tucks. You wanna make sure your back is nice and flat, your shoulders are down, legs are gonna be straight right here, and then we're gonna tuck those knees in, targeting our lower abs. Ready position, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's get started with our knee tucks. You want to tuck those knees towards the chest. At the bottom, keep the legs straight. And as you tuck the knees up towards the chest, you're going to breathe out. Nice work, guys. Again, make sure that lower back is nice and flat. If you feel like the back is arching, that probably means your legs are going too low like this. So the bottom position should be right here, about 45 degrees, and then tuck those knees back in. Almost there guys, 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work guys, we're gonna flip over. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some plank leg lifts. You're gonna be in a plank position by having the hands directly underneath the shoulders. You wanna make sure the bum is tucked in, the head is back, and we're gonna drive the right knee towards the right elbow, and then you're gonna alternate sides. Ready, and let's go. Sorry, my mistake. You're gonna lift the legs up in the air and then squeeze your bum. Keep the core engaged the whole time. Keep the shoulders nice and strong. Pretend like someone's sitting on your back. Suck in that core. Lift the legs up, keeping the legs straight, and then squeeze your bum at the top. Every time you lift the legs up, I want you to breathe out. And breathe out. Good work, guys. And 10 seconds, let's finish strong. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work, guys. We're gonna flip over, we're gonna do a quick little stretch. We're gonna do a figure 4 stretch. This is a great exercise for stretching the glutes, also the back as well. You're gonna pull the knee towards your chest and sink in and hold the stretch. Good work guys, we're gonna go ahead and switch sides, ankle over your knee, and you're gonna grab and pull. Again, you're gonna bring your knee towards your chest. Relax the shoulders, relax the head. And we're gonna hold for another 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1. All right, relax. Next, we're gonna be doing some sit-ups. You're gonna sit, keeping your heels down. You're gonna sit all the way up, squeeze the core, and then you wanna go slow on the way down. As soon as that lower back touches the floor, I'm gonna sit all the way back up. Ready position, guys. 3, 2, 1, and let's start our sit-ups. Good work, guys. As you're sitting up tall, you want to breathe out at the top, slow on the way down, and then keep it going, guys. Nice work. We're about halfway there. You got 20 more seconds. And tight squeeze, finish strong. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work, guys. Next exercise, we're gonna be doing some bicycle kicks. You're gonna lie down, lower back flat on the floor, hands by the side of your head. You're gonna bring your legs up, and I'm gonna crunch up, bring my elbow towards the knee, and then I'm gonna kick right here. As you kick, you're gonna breathe out, lifting both shoulders off the floor. Ready position, and let's go. We have 40 seconds. Nice work, you guys. Try to crunch up as high as you can. I want to see the elbows touching the knees. Good. Just like every core exercise, make sure that back is nice and flat against the floor. Keep the core engaged the whole time. Continue to breathe. Breathe. And finish strong with me. We got 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work, guys. Take a quick little break, grab some water, and I'll see you in our second set. Hey guys, I want to introduce you to two of my favorite products, nutrition products from Prestige Labs, which is the Burn AM and the Burn PM. The Burn AM is going to help you melt away some of that stubborn belly fat, making every workout a fat burning workout. The Burn PM, this is a cravings crusher, which is going to eliminate all the cravings, all the temptation for food, and help you with emotional eating. These two together are going to help accelerate your weight loss. So click the link below and take advantage of my 40% off link so that you can get fast weight loss results. All right, guys, welcome back. We're gonna get started again with our elbow to knee crunches. Let's get both the shoulders off the floor. Elbow's gonna crunch up and touch the knees. We got 40 seconds. Nice work, guys. As soon as those elbows touch the knees, I want you to go slow on the way down. Don't just drop down, control. And as soon as you come down, let's come straight back up. Lift those shoulders, both shoulders up as high as you can. And if you feel this in the neck, that means you're probably using too much of your neck muscles. So just keep the head back and try to look straight up to the ceiling as you're lifting the shoulders up and as you're crunching. Nice work, guys. Almost there, 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's time. Next exercise, we're gonna be doing our knee tucks. Again, back is gonna be flat, legs are gonna be straight, and then we're gonna tuck those knees in right here. Ready position, guys. As you tuck those knees in, you're gonna breathe out, and I want you to really engage the lower abs. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Give me some nice strong knee tucks. Drive the knees towards the chest. At the bottom, get the legs straight. And as you tuck the knees in, you're gonna breathe out. Good, feel that core working the whole time. Guys are doing great, halfway there, 20 seconds. And let's get the legs a little lower. Finish strong with me, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's time. Nice work. We're gonna flip over. For our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some plank leg lifts. Let's get a nice solid plank position. Keep the shoulders strong. Let's get the legs nice and wide, shoulder width. The bottom down, core is gonna be engaged. Lift the right leg, lift the left leg. 2, 1, 40 seconds, and let's go. You wanna be careful not to lift the leg too high, otherwise we risk arching our back. Just wanna lift it just enough that you feel your glutes working, and you wanna control on the way down. Good work, you guys. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. That's where, guys. All right, we're gonna go into a little stretch. We're gonna do a figure 4 stretch again. Don't worry about the timer here. We're gonna get both sides, ankle over your knee, and let's grab and pull. Relax the shoulders, relax the head. We're gonna hold this stretch on both sides for about 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, try to pull the knee up towards the chest, and you should feel a nice stretch right in the glutes right here. This is a great stretch if you have hip tightness, lower back tightness, glute tightness. If you're sitting a lot during the day, this is a great stretch for you. Let's go ahead and switch sides. Relax the shoulders, relax the head. Pull the knee up until you feel a nice stretch. All right, guys, let's get ready for our second last exercise. We're going sit-ups. Sit all the way up. Keep both the heels down, and then you want to go slow on the way down. Keep the core tight the whole time. I want you to really feel the abs and the core working. Ready, 2, 1, and let's go. Sit all the way up and back down. Give me a tight squeeze at the top. Nice work, continue to breathe. Guys are doing great. Already halfway there, 20 seconds. I want you to squeeze your core a little bit tighter for me. Good work, guys. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more. Squeeze and back down. Nice work. We're gonna finish off today's workout with some bicycle kicks. Give me some big kicks. Let's go as hard as you can. Both legs up, elbow to knee, kick, kick, keeping the lower back nice and flat. Every time you kick, I want you to breathe out and then put some power into those kicks. Ready, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. This is the last exercise of the workout. Let's make it count, guys. Lift those shoulders off the floor. Give me a big kick. Nice work, continue to breathe, 30 seconds. Good, I want to see the elbows touching the knees. Let's crunch up a little higher. 20 seconds. And last 10 seconds coming up, finish strong. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, big kick. 1, and time. All right, nice workout, guys. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca, and sign up for a free 7-day personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.